Okay, so we're here again back today, and this was once Mary's Bar. So this was done yesterday. This is being done today. This section is being done today. This properly was the bar, Mary's Bar, torn down today. Being demolished. George Wenner reporting live from Lower Newgate Street, St. John's, Antigua. Mary's Bar being demolished for realnews.com. So this is what's left of her door. And on the other side, looking at the whole situation here, is Mary Valdez.
Hi, how are you? You okay? Where everybody good? Bless.
She's here, she's looking at what's happening. And across, this is what's happening to her bar. George Wenner reporting live, Lower Newgate Street, St. John's, Antigua for realnewsantigua.com.